In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use deep research in Gemini. By the end, you'll feel confident opening Gemini, finding the right workspace, entering a clear prompt, and launching your research smoothly. First, open your Gemini account. If you already use Gemini, simply sign in the way you normally do. If you're brand new, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account and keep your login details private. Once you're in, make sure you're on the main Gemini interface so you can easily access its features. Next, click Tools. You'll usually find tools in the main navigation or sidebar, depending on your screen size. This area is where Gemini groups its specialized capabilities, and it's the quickest way to get to the research features without hunting through menus. Now, select Deep Research. When you open it, you should see a dedicated space designed for longer, more structured investigations. This is where Gemini can dive deeper into your topic than a quick chat prompt would, and it helps you frame your request so the system understands your goals. Here, enter your prompt. I'll use a practical example: advantages and disadvantages of being an affiliate. Type a clear request in your own words and be as specific as you can. For instance, you can mention the audience you care about, the region or industry you're focusing on, and the level of detail you want. If there are constraints, such as a time frame or a preferred tone, include those too. Clarity sets up better results, so think about the outcome you need: a concise overview, a more detailed breakdown, or a balanced list of pros and cons. If it helps, add brief context, like whether you're comparing affiliate work to another side hustle or evaluating it for a small business. Wait patiently, then click Start Research. Take a moment to review your wording, check spelling, and make sure your scope is right before you begin. When everything looks good, press the Start Research button. The system will begin analyzing your request. Avoid refreshing the page while it's working. Depending on complexity, this can take a little time, so let it run. When it finishes, you'll receive a structured response that addresses the prompt you provided about the advantages and disadvantages of being an affiliate, presented in a way that's easy to understand and ready to use. That's all you need to get started with deep research in Gemini. Open your account, click Tools, select Deep Research, enter a clear prompt, wait, and then click Start Research. Follow these steps and you'll be set for deeper, more useful results.